Did you know some homeowners almost spend $8,000 on new air conditioning when they don't need to? Sarah was in her kitchen yesterday telling her husband Mike about their close call. She said, "Honey, remember when our system stopped cooling properly last month? I was panicking because the first technician said we needed a complete replacement for $8,000. The stress was keeping me up at night getting all those quotes. But then a different technician came out and suggested trying system restoration first before replacing everything. He used something called the AC flush process to restore our system's efficiency. Mike, the results were immediate. The airflow is so much stronger now. Every room reaches the right temperature consistently. For the first time in years, our system cycles on and off properly instead of running constantly." Mike couldn't believe it. He said, "You're telling me we almost spent $8,000 when we didn't need to?" Sarah nodded and said the neighbors keep asking what we did because they noticed how much better our house feels now. Ask your HVAC technician about AC Flush.